This eyebrow sucks.
I don't know if this turned out right. I'm hurrying. Hold on.
Hey Ding Dongs! So today I think I'm going to try out brow lamination, and I'm going to be using this brow kit that I got from Amazon. It's the AYASAL Ultimate Eyebrow Lamination Kit. It was like $20 or something, I don't know. And like I wanted to get microblading done, but like I can't because I'm pregnant, so that sucks. And I haven't like waxed or like done my eyebrows in like over a year. I haven't got them done since March of 2020. The only thing I've done is like taken a razor, an eyebrow razor, and like did a little something. So I'm gonna like try lamination without waxing, and I see how that goes, and let's get to it. This is like what my eyebrows look like now. Like I don't really have any eyebrows. Maybe I do. First things first, it says to like use the brow comb and clean my eyebrows, so I'll just do water. And like all the stuff. Okay, so now it says to apply the eyebrow lift glue and leave that for a minute, so I'm gonna do that. I don't know what I'm doing. Looking through my eyebrows. I think this is the eyebrow comb. Here's the glue. Brush this on in one direction. It's like really hard. Ew. Okay, now I need to apply Vaseline. I don't have any, so I'm just gonna use Aquaphor. Okay, it says around and under. Wow. Okay, now I need to apply the lip lotion, wait for 1 minute, comb it with the white brush, and then apply cling wrap. But I don't have any because I don't use it, so I have wax paper, so we'll see if that works. It's just to keep our eyebrows in place. And FYI, it definitely smells like perm. With a white shape brush. It kind of stings. And I just realized that I fucked up. I was reading the directions I read the wrong directions. It said, I was reading the lift glue directions. Okay, so now I need to leave this on for 10 minutes, so it's 8:04. Yeah, I wasn't supposed to leave it on and then wait a minute, so maybe, okay, so 8:04, so I've done it already a minute too long, so I don't want like my eyebrows to fall off. And tip guys, this works just as good as clean wrap. Maybe it works even better. Alright, so I think I like already messed up. I need to put the fixation lotion on. I need to wipe this off first. It just says remove the lotion, but it doesn't say how. So now I need to apply the fixation crap and do that again for 10 minutes. Okay, so here's the fixation crap. And then, whoops. I think this is a micro brush, and I've been using this spoolie, but they don't say. So I think I was supposed to remove it with this crap. I'm kind of like rushing because my child's sleeping. I'm not like rushing, but I should have like read the directions more properly. But we'll see how it comes out. I might look like a ding dong, but that's what I am, right? I don't know, like maybe I was supposed to brush my brows better. We'll see. Time to remove these. Great, the baby's awake. This is remove with the micro brush. I'm kind of brushing them up. And removing with a damp cotton thing. Ugh. And then I need to use a cleanser and cleanse them. And I just want you guys to know that like I only have one good eyebrow like everybody else. And this is my good eyebrow. It always looks nice when it gets like done and waxed. And this is like the stupid eyebrow that goes like lopsided. So I'm gonna use witch hazel to cleanse my brows. And so now I have to like hurry because my child's awake now. Oh, it's all over my face. Alright, I guess that's cleansed. I don't know, they look like whatever. Now I'm putting the nutrition crap. Kinda stings. Alright, now I need to put that on for 10 minutes, just like the rest. And so it'll just look like maybe my eyebrows are just like wet all the time. Like they look nice when I like wash my face and like brush them in place, so maybe they'll just like stay like that because I know they get like really like stupid looking when they're like dry and don't have like anything on them or product. So after the 10 minutes, it says to wipe that off with a micro brush and then finish. But I need to purchase like tint, so I'm gonna do that later. Obviously you can do it one step if you have everything, but I don't, so. Well, it's been way over 10 minutes to take these things off. It's just a nutrition crap. All right, you're gonna leave me? All right, as you can see, it's been way over 10 minutes. The dog ran away and I'm not chasing him. Baby's fussy because he just woke up. Oh my gosh, but I gotta get this crap off my face before my eyebrows are ruined. Okay. And it says residue. I don't know, they look dumb. Okay, well ignore the residue. I mean, maybe we'll see. Okay, bye Dingdongs, I'll see. So, I don't really know like if these are even. I'm just gonna like brush through them gently. I don't know. I don't think you can really tell. Like this is supposed to be the good brow. Does it look good? I don't know. Maybe tips for next time, definitely read through, obviously, like more than once. Don't rush. These are all obvious. Maybe I could use a trim, clearly. What do you guys think? Like, can you even tell a difference? I feel like I look the same. If I like tint them. I hate this eyebrow. It's so dumb. Like, I don't have time to do my eyebrows. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Like, I think I failed.